Good day, everyone. We hope you're all feeling fantastic. Today, let's delve into the wonderful world of Sheikh Hamdan, the beloved Dubai prince and doting father of three beautiful children. Recently, he embarked on an enchanting journey with his family, showcasing his immense gratitude for the unforgettable moments shared. But before we dive into the captivating footage, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting updates. Thank you kindly. Penned by the Crown Prince of Dubai himself, Sheikh Hamdan, affectionately known as Fazza, holds the prestigious title of Crown Prince of Dubai and serves as the esteemed chairman of the Dubai Executive Council. His recent family escapade to Mauritius was nothing short of magical, as evidenced by the delightful snapshots he shared on Instagram. With a heartfelt caption expressing gratitude to Mauritius for the wonderful experience, Sheikh Hamdan's post radiates warmth and joy. In one charming photo, we see the Dubai Crown Prince bonding with his son, Mohammed, creating cherished memories together. Following their adventures, Sheikh Hamdan also treated his followers to glimpses of their travels through Instagram stories, including breathtaking views of Peter Both, the majestic mountain rising 820 meters above sea level. On October 3rd, Sheikh Hamdan showcased his love for fishing, enjoying quality time with friends and family amidst the serene beauty of Mauritius. With over 15 million followers on Instagram, Sheikh Hamdan, known by his handle fazza, frequently shares glimpses into his family's adventures, spreading joy and inspiration across the globe. As we bid farewell to this captivating journey, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to Sheikh Hamdan for sharing his world with us. Until next time, dear viewers, thank you for joining us. See you in our next exciting adventure. Gratitude to Mauritius for the wonderful experience. Sheikh Hamdan's post radiates warmth and joy. In one charming photo, we see the Dubai Crown Prince bonding with his son, Mohammed, creating cherished memories together. Following their adventures, Sheikh Hamdan also treated his followers to glimpses of their travels through Instagram stories, including breathtaking views of Peter Both, the majestic mountain